हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू स्वाद और सितारे विद डेलनाज। आज एक बहुत ही स्पेशल एपिसोड है। स्पेशल इसलिए भाई कि ये पब्लिक डिमांड वाला एपिसोड है। पब्लिक ने, आप लोगों ने डिमांड किया है इस एपिसोड के लिए। यू गाइज वांटेड दिस एपिसोड, तो लो भाई, पब्लिक के डिमांड पे आ गए हैं हमारे दोस्त सितारे आज के, आयशा सिंह और अदनान खान। आप लोगों ने मुझे कितने कमेंट्स किए कि आयशा और अदनान को साथ देखना है मैम, मन्नत के कपल को साथ देखना है। तो लीजिए, आ गए हैं आपकी मन्नत और विक्रांत फ्रॉम द सीरियल मन्नत विद देयर हरनीत पाजी। जोर से बोलो।
Snap that plate, story डाल तू, cocktails मिलाओ, gossips ला तू, foodie है gang, आज no die, cause your Delnas is such a vibe. स्वाद और सितारे with Delnas, 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 स्वाद और सितारे with Delnas.
And today for this special episode we are here at this very special place. मेरी दोस्त की जगह है ये, आदिति, जिनकी ये जगह है। ये जगह के नाम है बैकयार्ड ब्रू। Welcome Adnan Khan and Aisha Singh on my show स्वाद और सितारे with डेलनाज में। अभी जब इंट्रोडक्शन दिया तो मैंने बोला द मोस्ट लवेबल कपल। मेरे पास एडजेक्टिव्स नहीं है और कैरिस्मेटिक, जितने नाम दो उनके लिए कम है।
I know.
एंड आप दोनों शाइन कर रहे हो यार मन्नत में। What is that one राज? मतलब ये क्या हो रहा है? What is this magic? हाँ आयशा?
हाँ बोलो आयशा, क्या है राज?
I think him
Don't point at
for me. I think he keeps everybody together and with all his positive attitude and keeps me cool. Well, like I'm not cool, but he keeps me like a little on the right path. So I think इसलिए मेरा sorted रहता है मामला.
No ma'am, that's not true. She is lying right now through her teeth. She's such a.
चल झूठा।
You just said the most lovable.
या
हमारे सेट पे सबसे ज्यादा प्यार सब किसको करते हैं?
दोनों
Hands
को, I
down. No,
think
no,
दोनों
no.
को।
Hands down. She's the most loved person on set. 100%. Yes.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है।
And
Our
third,
technical staff has crush on you.
नहीं
Hello.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
Crush on
about it.
Adnan.
Yeah.
I think every woman has a crush on Adnan.
no
on
ma'am,
the
that
set.
is not even remotely
You know.
true. Mothers have crushes on me. For sons, they think I'm a great son, but genuinely ma'am, it's because of her. She brings a.
Of course, Aisha is very cute, very sweet.
No ego
Whole
ma'am.
lot
Set
of
पे जरा भी
fans.
ego नहीं है.
इतने सारे fans हैं ना भर के आयशा के।
But rubbing off on you.
लेकिन yes, you don't have बिल्कुल भी 1% भी ego नहीं
ma'am.
है।
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
ये क्या है?
मैंने मांगा था.
अच्छा, पहले मुझे पता भी नहीं है ये अंदर जाके। Okay. So how do you like this place? I've kept this place specially for you guys because I felt, cozy, sweet, homely.
Yeah. So
Yes.
जब आपने बोला English breakfast, I'm kind of like low-key. I'm like, finally I get to eat this breakfast. But बहुत
Wow.
अच्छी जगह है. It's
Wow.
got a nice vibe to it.
Wow. So I'm happy that you guys are happy and you are going to be most comfortable and eating the best breakfast ever.
Yeah boy.
ये दोनों ना मुझे मैम बुलाते हैं। मैं 1000 बार बोल चुकी हूँ कि मुझे डेलू
You
बुलाओ,
also do, ma'am,
डेलनाज
no? You
बुलाओ।
can't do it otherwise,
Yeah,
no?
but these two are so respectful and ये हम लोग बोलते हैं ना आज के बच्चे ऐसे, ये है आज के बच्चे, and very talented, got everything going for them, but yet very grounded.
Ma'am,
very,
on this
very
point, I just want to
grounded.
say something. Do you know she says Adnan sir?
Yeah, I know that.
So आप आज के बच्चे की बात करो, I'm like sometimes I'm like, who's this sir guy?
Yeah, Aisha calls him Adnan sir, and that I know. But that's so wonderful,
Right,
Aisha. You know,
right.
that's so wonderful.
That's so
I would,
wonderful, Aisha.
I would want you guys to call me Delnaz or Delu, but yeah,
Hard,
I
ma'am,
mean,
it's really hard.
yeah.
I don't know, I can't.
Same, hard.
I can't.
Really hard.
Yeah.
अच्छा अब देखो what do you want to eat? What do you guys want to have?
Ma'am,
Chal.
I'm going to let you do this thing for me.
नहीं मैंने तो बोल दिया
Because,
है
sir, ma'am,
हमारे
I'll tell you what, I really like surprises. So I'm going to let you do it for me. Only one.
हम दोनों नॉन वेज है ये वेजिटेरियन है ये वेजिटेरियन
What's wrong with being a vegetarian? It's
It's
nice.
not, it's nice, it's nice.
It's
Kinder.
We are
Yeah.
respecting
You guys are cruel.
We are very
Yeah,
cruel.
we are very
cruel.
cruel.
While I'll eat my food, I'll be very cruelly eaten.
I know.
Control. Control, Uday.
But
Kids, are there?
tell her the story
Yeah.
about how you became a veggie.
yeah
na?
I'm going to come to that कि भाई yeah
This was a choice. This is her own
Yes.
respectful choice. It's not
Yes.
like a.
It's not really respectful.
Kyun? I thought it was. Nahi?
Yeah, malab, it happened. I'd never planned it, and so I've always been on and off. Sometimes, like the curry of the chicken and everything is very yummy.
but you're not doing this for religious reasons right
No,
कि
no,
किसी
no.
ने बोला है
No,
घर
no,
पे तो
no.
सब खाते ही होंगे
नहीं,
you सरदारनी right
no, I'm a Rajput, but Rajput में भी they eat. तो ऐसा कुछ वो नहीं है.
कॉफी ठंडी
But
हो रही है भाई।
yeah, it's nice also. So it just happened because of my Mosa ji. He was cooking and one day he was like, "Aja, aja, cut this. Very, I'm not doing that. And then he made me do it. I was like, never, ever. I was just fainted. And I never ate ever again. Like, we are so cruel. What are we doing in life?
अच्छा तो ये एक छोटी सी स्टोरी है इसकी कुछ
Nice, यार।
बनावटी स्टोरी लग रही है मेरे को तो
अरे बाप रे, ये तो धोती खोल रहा है.
felt you're a very firang you've got a very firang attitude
He
right
is a Firang.
he's a firang
I'm
right
not. What are you
He's
saying?
a
Hello, what
pura
are you
firang,
saying
right?
with your eyes straight and all? No. I am not a. I'm not. I'm a very desi.
you've
Don't
got
put
this
your.
little-
Put your.
ये कैमरा पे दिखाना
See
प्लीज
what she does to me. This is how she bullies me. Adnan sir, and
आयशा
this is
एक
the
और
bullying
बार
happened.
एक और बार करके दिखाना प्लीज
Bully, करो, bully दुनिया के सामने. I told her what I said. Don't keep your eyes straight. So see what she did.
Firang.
I get bullied guys like this on side.
okay so tell me the secret what is that why
मतलब, why am I
this
like this?
yeah like are you from Mumbai right
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was born here, but moved to Dubai. जब हम बहुत छोटे थे, my dad was working in as a general manager of a printing firm. So it was called Oriental Press. Penguin ki books they used to print. I don't know if you guys know.
yes
Penguin
of
books.
course
So yeah, they used to print those and they used to come home and stuff like that. Ma'am, Dubai mein there were Indians, but like the Indians in Dubai are very different. We didn't grow up too much to Bollywood. मैंने अपनी शायद लाइफ में तीन बॉलीवुड फिल्में देखी है. जानेमन, unfortunately Tashan. Unfortunately, that was the reason that I used to stop watching Bollywood. I saw Tashan. Tashan is the one where Akshay Kumar and. Anyways, Janeman I loved.
तुमने कल हो ना हो नहीं देखी मेरी
Ma'am, I have seen
तुम
that, but
बच्चे
that
थे
was.
तब,
I
शायद।
think I was here. When did it come out? 2000.
2 3 3
हाँ, I saw it. I love Shah Rukh. Loved from.
who
there to
doesn't
now.
love Shahrukh Khan
Like, man, the guy is like a.
okay but तुम्हें ये एक्टिंग का कीड़ा कहाँ से आया
मैम, I was really unhappy. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था क्या हो रहा है. मेरे पास बहुत अच्छी जॉब थी. बहुत बढ़िया जॉब
Oh.
थी. I was working. I was making a lot of money.
दुबई छोड़ के आए जॉब छोड़ के आए पैसे छोड़ के आए
Yeah.
एक्टिंग करने
Yeah, I was really, and ma'am, I was very popular also in my circle. So like everything was great, everything was, but I was not happy for some reason. मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या हो रहा है. Like I'm like, what's missing? Like कुछ तो missing है. Then I saw a film called 7 Pounds, and it moved me. मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा मैंने film खत्म की and I'm like, wow, ये film ने जो मुझे किया है, I want to do that. तो silly me, I was very vain. I was very vain. Because फिल्म देखने के बाद किसी ने पूछा सो क्या करना है, यानी मेरे दिमाग ने पूछा सॉरी कि क्या करना है तुमको. मैंने बोला बिकॉज आई लुक डिसेंट I'll become an actor.
Okay.
I didn't pay a little bit of more attention to it, like what in this entire process appealed to me.
Okay, sorry.
yeah.
But what is this?
English breakfast.
English breakfast.
Oof.
हम दिखा देते हैं भाई. Backyard brew का
It looks good, it
English
looks good.
breakfast. And Aisha, what about you, darling? How did you get this thing of I want to become an actress?
So I was in law school and मैं अपने मेरी friend है, one of my best friends is Grishma. उसकी काफी वो हॉस्टल में रहती थी, मैं ट्रैवल बैक एंड फोर्थ करती थी घर से, तो काफी ट्रबल करती थी मिमिक्री करके सनी देओल की. So she used to get like, and then I moved to hostel with her, and then I used to trouble her more by like making her watch films I used to like and all that stuff. So one day she was like really irritated, and she was reading. So we were supposed to read newspapers every day and all that. So one day she just came to my room and she was like, "You go here. Stop irritating me. Go here." And I
Your
was like,
butter
"What is it?"
pancakes,
And then
ma'am?
it was.
What is this?
Buttermilk pancakes.
Pancake for the lady. Wow, this looks amazing. Huh?
It does. It does.
हाँ, sorry. एक मिनट आपका नाम बता दीजिए.
My name is Suhas, ma'am.
हाँ, जोर से बोलो ना.
सुहास.
माइक है तो क्या हुआ?
Suhas.
Yes, ma'am.
सुहास.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thanks, Suhas.
Thank you.
Thank you, Suhas.
Thank you.
Then newspaper on your face.
Yeah, so she got me that article. Can they go there? And then that was actor prepare.
Oh.
Yeah.
Actor prepares का article आया था.
हाँ, उसमें था कि admission
तुम
लीजिए,
जाके
be an actor. And I was like, and it was right behind our hostel. So I used to like give my exam and go there. So I was doing that both the things. And so even like in my orientation and everything in actor prepare, I was like reading. Because I had my exam the other day, and I'm like, "What's happening?" And like, I have no idea what's happening. And he was just like, "Yeah, you'll do it, you'll do it." And mom, dad were like really against, but Papa was like, "क्या ही होगा?" चलो बेटा.
पर बहुत कुछ
कोई
हो
बात
गया
नहीं.
तुम्हारे साथ आयशा.
He didn't expect it.
बहुत कुछ हो गया बेटा तुम्हारे साथ. तुम तो शाइनिंग स्टार हो गई हो भाई.
क्या बात है?
And Adnan has all his style. मतलब
And hard work and sincerity.
I get lucky.
No,
गलती से. Fluke.
I think it's just it's within him. His style, his aura. Yeah. Yes, please. चलिए. Yo, Adnan खाओ.
Do you any of you like pancakes or waffles or something?
It depends if the pancake is good. I like them.
You want to try?
Are they good?
I don't know. I just had enough.
You take. Ui.
घर पे कौन क्या बनाता है? Aisha, do you cook?
Like I cooked in lockdown. I'm a crisis chef and I'm a crisis shopper.
Like मेरे नहीं शॉपर तो मैं हूँ. नहीं मेरी तरह.
You're
Yeah.
a crisis shopper?
Yeah, I can't shop.
Really?
I can't shop. If I have to, I will shop.
So अभी दुबई गई तो क्या शॉप किया?
कुछ नहीं. सिर्फ जो जिसने बोला था वो लेके आया और घूमा, इतना घूमा, and hardly anything. Nothing much.
Ma'am, do you know I think I told you. Till the age of 32, I never shopped for myself. When I left Dubai, I took about 20 items of clothing. And my brother's looking at me, he's like, "You're going forever or what? Or you're going for, like, you're coming back next weekend?" And I had no planning. All the clothes up until 32 that I've worn are either bought by my brother, bought by my relatives, bought by my mother or Khala, or sometimes when I started working, bought by fans.
But why?
I just thought it was really boring. क्या है ये खड़े रह के कपड़े देखना है मॉल में लाइफ इम्पोर्टेंट है क्या है ये वो एंड देन आई वाज गोइंग टू इंडोनेशिया फॉर एन इवेंट सो आई हैड टू डू इट माई सेल्फ एंड इट वाज लाइक आई डिस्कवर्ड आई एम लाइक व्हाट वाज रॉन्ग विथ मी व्हाई डिडंट आई डू दिस बिफोर एंड नाउ आई कांट स्टॉप नाउ आई कांट इफ आई सी
I can't
रैंडम
shop
लाइक
even now. And all my clothes are like mom, she buys them or they're gifted. I hardly buy clothes.
yeah I've noticed you've never been like on like apps and yeah
So are you on apps all the time?
नहीं, ma'am.
Buying stuff?
No, but I'm an impulsive buyer. I'm not a crisis. Like, I'll be Instagramming कुछ sad चीजें चल रही है life में, we all know what's going on, sad, and then suddenly I'll see like a nice shirt, I'll be like, ooh, click, this is nice, bye,
Okay.
done.
That's your therapy, I guess. Is it your therapy?
But I have to tell everybody this, that this man is genuinely extremely generous and selfless. I've seen your posts, Adnan. I've seen stories. In fact, when I started with the show, without me even mentioning, he puts up these stories randomly. You know, support Swadar Sitare and, you know, go and enroll बोल रही हूँ. Go prescribe, subscribe. क्या हो गया मुझे?
मैं पागल हूँ
You know, so I just feel that this kindness, you know, I'm sure women get attracted to this kindness.
Ma'am,
I don't know.
can I tell you something about this? So I read this great post, somebody sent it to me yesterday, and I think this is what it is. They said that, okay, an actor should never get tareef too quickly. He shouldn't get tareef too quickly because he starts believing in the tareef. Like, agar bahut jaldi early on, if he gets praise, so he starts believing in that and he doesn't look outside of it because he's got validated so much and it forms like it's not very good for health, right? Ma'am, मेरे को बहुत time लगा just to earn enough money so I can take care of my mother. मेरे को बहुत time लगा, ma'am, just to understand the craft. Otherwise, I've been really like insulted and like I was really looked down upon in the craft wala zone mein. Same with money. I started actually earning and supporting my house when I was 29. So usse pehle my poor mother had to struggle like a lot, and she first of all, she doesn't support the idea. Aaj bhi main unko jaake bolunga na, mom, let's go back to Dubai. She'll happily run back. She does not care I'm who I am. Unko simple चाहिए, ma'am. She doesn't want anything big. Like, she's really, really simple, right? तो मेरे को हर चीज़ इतनी late मिली ना, ma'am. I know how hard it is. So when somebody is trying something, the least I can do is like, yeah, let's give back what we got because we know how difficult
Yeah.
it is. So
Yeah.
I don't feel like it's like my generosity.
Valuing
It's just not that. It's just not that.
What is it?
Yeah. It's just not that because you've gotten like your monetary dues or career dues late, so you appreciate it. You appreciate everything, and you help in every other form, like be it health requirement somebody needs, or anybody is in any discomfort.
What is this?
Seven chicken skewers.
That's not.
These are chimichanga cigar rolls.
What is this?
Chimichanga cigar rolls.
Chimichangas.
But this is veg, right? हाँ. मेरी आयशा क्या खाएगी फिर? Do you want an avocado toast? It's lovely out here, right?
नहीं, avocado रहने दीजिए.
It's a food show, Aisha.
I'm sorry.
Aisha,
Aisha.
Please.
भारी मिस्टेक हो गया सर.
Okay, Aisha. मैं बताना चाहती हूँ. आयशा के लिए I gave her a name. टीवी की आमिर खान.
That could be true.
है ना?
Not do that.
That could be true.
I'm just being bullied.
You're being bullied. You're kind
Bullied?
of like the bully on set. You know that, no?
No, I'm the bully.
Of course, you're the bully on set.
I'm the
Of
bully.
course, not bullies like ज़्यादा negative हो जाता है. But you are like, listen, you're there.
I am there.
You're like Amir on set.
No.
I haven't been with Amir sir on set. I don't know
No,
how
even
it is,
I have not been,
Heard.
but whatever I've heard, I mean, she is.
You guys.
but It's the
Yeah.
truth. It is the truth.
It is the truth, right?
It is the
मैंने जो
truth.
बोला समझ गया ये देखो.
It is kind of the truth.
नहीं समझता अगर नहीं होता तो सच्चाई यही है कि तुम सेट पे.
But ma'am, abhi na, just to listen.
So I need to tell them
Right.
what is. So आयशा अपने कैरेक्टर में तो घुस ही जाती है, बाकी लोगों के कैरेक्टर में घुस जाती है, टेक्नीशियंस में भी घुस जाती है, ड्रेस ज्यादा.
It's true.
ओह
I am helping
ये
myself.
पेंडेंट क्यों ऐसा है तुम्हारा?
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
ये टेढ़ा है, जरा
हाँ.
ठीक करो. दादा, ड्रेस दादा.
But it's so
शॉर्ट
cute.
रुका हुआ है.
Ma'am, do you know something?
You will look weird. You won't look weird.
Yeah, but we appreciate it.
We appreciate.
We're not saying Amir is bad on
Good
set.
thing.
We're
This is a
appreciative
good
of
thing,
it.
darling.
It's just sometimes our thing was वो वाला जोन है.
टेलीकास्ट होना है, डायरेक्टर रोल बोल चुका है. अरे यार ये ना सर ये
If it's in my eyes,
मैम आप थोड़ा सा ऐसे कर दो.
He does, and it's really good. Do you know about this
It's
thing,
really
ma'am?
sweet,
It is.
Aishu.
It is.
It's really sweet. तुम्हारी तारीफ ही कर रही हूँ.
I'm
But why are you
controlling,
controlling? This is
correcting.
not, no. You know this, so I wear this on set. I don't remove it day night, right? So she's always the one मेरे close में, मेरे wide में. She's like, Adnan, you can see it. So मुझे ऐसा करना पड़ता, put it at the back. Now she started nowadays apologizing for it, saying, am I nagging? I'm like, you're not nagging. Like, I'm reliant on you now.
Yeah.
I'm reliant, live in front of the world. Guys, everybody.
Do not
I am
do
reliant on her. I am reliant. See, everyone's laughing. They know it's the truth.
Guys.
But it's the truth. You please don't change. See, the good stuff don't change, yaar. Please.
Yeah, this is a good thing, Aisha. This is like तुम अपना बच्चा संभाल रही हो. तुम ये तुम्हारा बेबी है.
Yeah.
मन्नत is
I
your
loved
baby.
it.
Please.
I loved it. I loved it. Ma'am,
Yeah.
very nice.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
अच्छा मुझे जब when I've not been a part of the show for quite some time now, but when I was, I loved the scenes with Adnan. I mean, I think script में नहीं था, but मैं उन्हें plumber बुलाना शुरू किया मैंने, and I went beyond the script a little bit, and you know we did some fun scenes, and with Aisha of course most of the scenes, and I always wanted their romance to start soon as an audience. चलो यार, चलो ये कितना पका रहे, चलो करो romance करो. Now finally when it's there, what is the reaction that you're getting from people? Because I see you both on top of the charts as a couple.
I was proud of that, by the way. Because you remember a conversation just start with you had with me, long ago you had with me. You're not understanding the word, a particular word. Sorry, ma'am.
Baby, eat.
But basically, I'm very proud that me and you are like somewhere there and people are liking this relationship and Rishta and all. But ma'am, the thing is, she's so good.
What's the
She's
word?
so good. You had not liked the word chemistry. You had not understood it. And one day when we were walking back, randomly she just asked me, she's like, so do you believe in this word chemistry? I was like, yeah, chemistry exists. And she's like, no, not that chemistry. Like, I'm like, yeah, of course, chemistry is a thing. Like, I started giving examples, Silver Lining Playbook, yeah, Shah Rukh and Kajol, like gorgeous rishtas and all that.
But you both are brilliant actors. You both. I've seen you in
Magic rubs off on me, man.
इतने बड़े पेजेस होते हैं, स्क्रिप्ट करना होता है, 5 पन्नों की स्क्रिप्ट आती है.
He was talking 9 pages continuously. We were like, huh. And he's just giving like that. Just like that. And it was crazy to
And
watch.
considering that you've not had any formal training, or considering that
Considering his Hindi is weak, he speaks word by word. One day what happened, me and Mona ma'am, we were like, we had the script, हमारे पास script थी, and हम लोग ना मतलब वही सब circle में बैठे हैं और अपना dialogues कर रहे हैं, and I always have the script till the end. So he walks on the set without a script. It's here. Don't know how, but it is. And I always have it till my last moment, till my last breath. I'll have my script. It's like that. So we were reading, doing our lines, and suddenly he starts speaking, and he's talking, and after 2 pages, it was just randomly me and Mona ma'am were looking at each other, and she's like, right, yeah, like, I know, it's word by word. He's saying the same thing जो लिखा हुआ है. Not here, not there. कुछ भी नहीं. Like हमें अपना बनाने के लिए it should like sometimes what happens is कि you make it your own. Like Manna, I put a little Punjabi touch in it, or I do something like more relatable or something.
Yeah.
He will do that without doing any आगे पीछे.
No, that's not true. I don't do that. But I'll tell you why. Now, listen to this. You'll understand it. Ma'am, if I improvise, she can improvise. I'm pretty sure you can improvise. The minute I start improvising, मेरे साथ क्या होता है मैम, वो feminine masculine की problem हो जाती है. की का ये वो ना बहुत mistakes होते हैं मेरे से. And ये हो चुका है. हाँ, grammar में बहुत mistakes हो जाते हैं. So मेरे पिछले shows में हुआ है कि they've like enough यार, just read the goddamn lines यार. तो उसकी वजह से I do have, alhamdulillah, by Allah's grace, I have little decent memory. But now there's trauma attached to it. Like because मेरे clause में लिखा गया था कि if he improvises, we'll find him. This has been a clause in one of my contracts because I used to improvise
See,
a lot.
whatever happens for the good.
Yeah.
I
So-
only improvise.
But ma'am, because आपका grammar निकल जाता है, आपकी words
उनका
सही
I
होते
think
हैं.
कोई language based show था क्या?
No, उर्दू था, which is something relatively closer to me. But still वो की का masculine feminine में बहुत problem हो जाती थी.
But what I love about him is his style. When he performs a scene, his modulation, his drama, it's so much, I like his style. And I like your hard work, Aisha. I think
Give me your
I
style.
have not seen.
Give me your style. That's missing.
give me hard work.
अच्छा
But can I tell you something great about her? And I love, मेरे को ये quality इतनी अच्छी लगती है. Diet कर रही है, मैं नहीं खाऊंगी, ज़्यादा नहीं खाऊंगी, मैं अपना, मैम, she, you know, for dinner what she has this soup. I make fun of it. हमने ये hospital से आया क्या? इसने चोरी किया क्या ये soup?
It's healthy.
It's very healthy, ma'am. It's extremely healthy. बहुत healthy है वो. But so what? And she'll be dieting and all that. And then comes along something she like, and she doesn't like a lot of stuff, by the way. बड़ा choice moody इंसान है ये, like choice बहुत specific है.
Yeah.
But अगर कुछ पसंद आ गया, ma'am, she will eat so much that after that she will be walking in front of her room. My tummy is hurting, and I love this moment. It's my life's one of the greatest moments I enjoy. My tummy is hurting. Why did I eat? I shouldn't eat. I'm silly. I'm like, no, it's good, it's good, it's good, it's great. And
No,
she
but
does
she
it all
is
the
a foodie. I've seen Aisha eat like kachar pachar also.
Yeah, like I would like have like 4 vada paos and.
But
where does it all feeding. go?
4 vada paos.
Walking outside the room, no? I have videos. I have videos on my phone. I can share it with you guys if you
No,
want.
I can tell you what. अरे ये इतना ये अदनान क्या करेगा, हसन क्या करेगा, रुशाद क्या करेगा इसमें. She's then on the scene. अरे okay ये थोड़ा
उधर
सा
calorie burning हो
उसमें
रही
सब
है.
कैलोरी बर्न हो रहे. अरे आपके बाल ठीक नहीं है सर.
सीन ऐसा क्यों नहीं है? Antenna will come up. Ting. ये क्या है? And she'll start. And the minute, sir, फिर कट हो जाएगा.
You know
5
what?
मिनट
You know what? You know what? So I was a very bad student in school. ठीक है, very bad. Like backbencher भी छोड़ो, मतलब at one point there was rustication and all.
Rusticated.
तो हाँ, तो like a poor student. I'm not proud of the fact. People like they should study and. But I had this one classmate, Anubhi Sharma. And you know पूरा क्लास हो रहा है, सेशन हो रहा है और इंटरवल हो गया. इंटरवल जस्ट लाइक बेल बजी है और वो ना अपना हाथ रेस करेगी. कहता अनूबी यार व्हाट इज दिस हैपनिंग यार, हम लोग को जाना है, लाइक दिस इज लंच ब्रेक, नाउ यू विल आस्क अ क्वेश्चन, मैम विल आंसर लाइक फॉर अनदर 10 मिनट्स, हमारा इंटरवल व्हाट इज. तो वो कहती है बट दैट्स योर प्रॉब्लम ना, मेरे को तो डाउट है ना, मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आया. एंड so, सब बहुत एकदम नैक करते थे अनुभवी को. So I one day asked Anubhi, being like a backbencher and all that, like Anubhi, see never shy away. तो क्या होगा तुम लोग मेरे को बोलोगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा मुझे. उनके पापा ने उनको बोला था कि आप बेटा अपना क्लियर करो, किसी के कहने से कुछ नहीं होता.
That's brilliant advice, yeah. I think that's brilliant.
Okay, thank you.
And I
So
didn't
I've-
understand it.
That
back
is
then.
such a nice, yeah.
Guys,
I
this
didn't
is the
understand it.
best ever avocado toast.
Yum.
Yeah. Please, you need to try this. Have you tried it?
No, ma'am.
Please try it. Please try it. Adnan?
Thank you, ma'am. I think that's great advice to protect a child from like, just to allow them
from
to
a
be.
child.
I think that's brilliant, yeah.
She was a child.
Tell her
Tell
dad,
her
Anubi,
another child.
Anubi, if you're watching, your dad is awesome.
Yeah, and you are awesome.
You are, we love you, Anubi. We love you.
So, and then, you know, she, I think, told me in like 10th, 11th standard, and I implemented in college.
Thank you, ma'am. But not bad, at least you did. And she is, ma'am.
But it's
She is a dad.
nice कि किसी का कुछ सीख के या देख के ऑब्जर्व करके आप खुद वो करो.
Absolutely.
This is nice.
Nice, ना? Do you understand flavors, Adnan?
A little bit. Yeah.
So, मुझे बताओ, what kind of flavors did you enjoy? Like, what did you like? मतलब breakfast में.
Ma'am, everything
क्या
was
समझ
decent and nice.
Yeah.
My favorite, believe it or not, is actually the chimichangas.
Yeah.
That was really good. Yeah, with beans and stuff. This is pretty good. This is nice as well. Pancakes मैंने try नहीं किए. But if you ask me to repeat, even though it's slightly oily and stuff like that, like it might not be the best diet food out there. But if I'm looking for अगर कुछ cheat करने का दिल करा ना, the chimichangas, very good.
Yeah.
What about you? क्या पसंद आया?
I like the
Avocado toast.
avocado toast, and the coffee is good.
Did you like the chicken?
Decent, ma'am.
मुझे कुछ एक childhood memory खाने पे कुछ बताओ ना, दोनों जन.
So, तो हम छोटे थे ना, तो हम समर वेकेशंस में मुंबई आते थे क्योंकि ननिहाल यहाँ पे है है ना, तो train
So
travel-
Aisha, you're from
आगरा.
Agra.
I'm from Agra.
Agra, I remember.
तो ननिहाल यहाँ पे है, तो आते थे समर वेकेशंस में, ट्रेन ट्रैवल होके आता था. तो ट्रेन में यू नो देयर इज लाइक समोसा 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 समोसा, चाय 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 चाय, ये वो. एंड माय ब्रदर एंड माय मम्मा, दे लव ट्रेन ट्रैवल बिकॉज दे गेट टू ईट फूड.
Yeah.
They love train food, and that for me is my best memory with food, because and even now, like when I went to drop mom, I was feeling bad कि किन्नू नहीं है वहाँ पे, क्योंकि you know किन्नू and mom, you see them, they're like अरे चिप्स खोले, but ट्रेन में घुसे हैं and they're like चिप्स खाते हैं, हाँ समोसा खाते हैं, अरे वो कोल्ड ड्रिंक रख लो, और कोल्ड ड्रिंक खोल के, and they are like they just start. एंड देन जो भी वेंडर वहाँ से गुजर रहा है, आप बोलते हो कि भाई ये मिक्स रहता है, यू नो चाय पानी में, कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, हाइजीन कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, जो भी गुजरेगा वो, हाँ भेल सब एवरीथिंग. लाइक दे हैव ऑन स्टेशंस, दे नो देयर क्लॉक्स, रात के 3 बजे सूरत रुकेगी, नान कटाई खाना है, यहाँ रुकेगा ये खाना है.
Wow.
So you know, and that is my childhood memory. So I can't put words how beautiful it is, because back then, you know, first, अब तो trains are like, I mean, you travel, you first AC, second AC, but we used to travel in sleeper. होता था, विंडो खुली रहती थी, हवा आती जाती रहती थी, वेंडर्स दिख रहे हैं और कड़ करके बोल रहे हैं, and there's this whole वो किन्नू इज ऑब्वियसली छोटा, एंड ही इज लाइक अरे मम्मा ये, अरे मम्मा वो, एंड पापा इज लाइक, सो आई थिंक ट्रेन फूड इज माई बेस्ट मेमोरी, बिकॉज इट्स सच अ फैमिली
bond हो जाती
Yeah.
है. I remember once I'd got in a barni मतलब एक ऐसे बॉटल में रोटी जब बासी हो जाती है, मतलब 1 दिन पहले की 2 दिन पहले की, हम लोग कड़क करके उस पे थोड़ा सा मसाला लगा के टुकड़े करके, वो लाइक जस्ट लाइक यू नो चिप्स, रोटी के चिप्स,
kind of crispy.
क्रिस्पी,
They're very
या
nice.
रोटी को एकदम कड़क करके
Not bad, yeah.
एंड थोड़ा मसाला, चाट मसाला लगा के, तो मैं खा रही थी और मैंने सबको ऑफर
You
किया.
don't remember you've tried. You liked it. You
I
like that
think so.
chatpata thing.
I
Yeah.
think so.
Okay, so give me one childhood story about your.
मैम मेरा कुछ इतना यानी मेरे को सिर्फ एक चीज़ याद है, when मैम we did a 9-course meal in this restaurant in Dubai called Nanking, and मैं prawns नहीं खाता, मुझे शक्ल देख के ख़राब लगता था, and like it's some, and कभी कभार वो frozen रहता है या smell आती, तो I'm also very picky with food. I'm very very picky. Ma'am, I remember that 9-course meal. It is probably the best experience of my entire life, because it was a perfect evening. My dad did it, and हम लोग चारों का mood बहुत अच्छा था. Me, my brother, my mother, and my father. And एक 9-course meal है, जिसका 4th course था शायद, या 5th course था, this prawns. And मैं मना करता, I'm like no dad, नहीं खाना, मुझे बास आती है उसे. Dad is like बेटा try कर. And that day I had these prawns, ma'am. And since then I've not stopped eating prawns. It was such a game changer, but it was like, you know, sometimes I think like maybe I'm having a tough day and I'm like, if I could teleport back in time to a day, if I could revisit one day of my life, if God allowed me, he said go visit one day, which day would I choose? Ma'am, it would be that day.
Wow.
Because just that evening was so perfect, ma'am. My dad was in a great mood, my mom was there, and we had like this lovely, ma'am, one of the best meals of my life, ma'am. It was this restaurant called Nanking.
Okay, guys. So this is a little something
Oh, that's
for
really
you,
sweet of you,
Aisha.
ma'am.
Little, कुछ.
That's not fair, really.
ये ले लो,
Yeah, ma'am.
ये
please.
ले लो. From the entire team at Swad और सितारे,
Thank you,
with
ma'am.
Delnaz,
Thank you, ma'am.
yo,
Thank you.
Swad and Sitare.
मुंह मीठा कर लो आप लोग.
Thank
So,
you, ma'am.
guys, as usual, like, share and subscribe to the channel. अगली बार एक और सितारा मेरे साथ, स्वाद और सितारे with Delnaz. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. आयशा बोल दो अपने fans को.
Please don't forget to like, share and
Subscribe. Yeah, guys. Help us out because ma'am's doing a wonderful thing और हम लोग को तो सच में बहुत मजा आ रहा है. We want to come back for another round. Yeah.
Season 2.
Yeah.
Season 2.
Nice.
Another place. कोई और जगह. Okay? Bye.
Bye, guys.
इस हफ्ते का स्वाद ठीक से चखा क्या कॉन्टेस्ट का क्वेश्चन। अदनान का सबसे फेवरेट रेस्टोरेंट कौन सा है दुबई में? Which is that favorite restaurant of Adnan in Dubai? सवाल 2, आयशा अदनान को किस नाम से बुलाती है? How does Aisha address Adnan? जल्दी अपने जवाब इस ईमेल आईडी पे भेजिए and be on the show next season with me, स्वाद और सितारे with Delnaz.
स्वाद और सितारे with
I'll talk to you later. Bye.
अंजलि,
Delnaz.
मैं सोचू ये कौन बिच कर रहा है मेरे पास। मेरी बेटी
It could have actually worked. But I didn't Parsi माने जब भी उनको पंजाबी चाहिए थी.